The Young and the Restless Spoilers. Sharon continues her Crimson Lights Thanksgiving Day feast, but this year with a twist. Instead of those in need coming to the coffee house, the team is going to them. The Who's Who show up to deliver meals and spread holiday cheer. Unfortunately, there is a bit of drama coming Sharon's way. She gets word of Faith's drinking and has a bit of a meltdown. How dare Faith and Nick hide this from her? Sharon makes it clear that Faith is in big trouble. Also at the Crimson Lights are Victor and Nikki. It seems that locking his son away has Victor thinking about the importance of family. Frenemies forever. Upstairs, Elena gets a surprise from Amanda. The ladies spend their evening bonding over Thai food and giving thanks for the important things in life. Family first. Things won't be so jovial across town. Lily plans a family dinner and all but demands Nate and Devin get along for just one day. It should come as no surprise these men can't hold it in for very long. Over at the Abbott mansion, the family gathers and tries to play nice. Jack and Billy eventually have it out, but what's new? Billy escapes and goes to chill with Lily. Skyle reunite. There's some good coming one Abbott man's way. Jack invites Summer to the festivities, which prompts a reunion with Kyle. Can these two lovebirds make it work this time? Summer hopes so. She even shows up at Kyle's room to make things official. In the boardroom at Jabbit, Summer gazed out the window at the nearby skyscrapers, recalling the day Kyle had shown her an order form for a nameplate identifying her as the co-CEO. Kyle had laid out his vision for their future working relationship. Another memory popped up involving the large house with the pool and a movie theater Summer had envisioned for them. When Summer had asked Kyle what he'd wanted, he replied, "You, just you." After Summer's moments of reminiscing concluded, she sent a group text to Jack and Kyle, requesting they join her to talk. Ray knocked on Chance's door at the Grand Phoenix. Ray entered and said he was glad to see Chance out of the hospital. Chance reported that he felt stronger every day. Ray informed Chance that the genetic material from the earbud found at the shooting site was a match to the DNA lifted from an earbud in Billy's briefcase. Chance replied, "But you still need to confirm that the DNA on both is Billy's." Ray said he intended to use a warrant to gather a sample. Chance, reluctant to accuse Billy, admitted that a couple of earbuds didn't constitute a case. Chance warned that it wouldn't be easy to go up against one of the most powerful families in town. Ray phoned the station and learned that Billy's DNA was on file due to a DUI charge back in 2015. Ray acknowledged that finding the gun was the key to getting Chance the justice he deserved. Ray added, "And God help him, the justice Adam deserves too."